Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy air fryer catfish. You can make this in your air fryer or Ninja Foodi. It can be made gluten-free as well if that's a need. And it's going to end up being the easiest catfish you've probably ever made. And all you're going to need are 3 ingredients. 4 to 8 catfish fillets, half a cup of gluten-free or regular fish fry, and then the cooking oil spray that you use for your air fryer. This can be grapeseed, avocado, coconut oil spray, whichever one you prefer for your air fryer. You will also start with half a cup of fish fry. Then if you need more, add more. Typically, I use anywhere from half a cup to a full cup of fish fry. So the first thing you're going to do is add that fish fry to a shallow bowl or dish. Then dip each piece of defrosted catfish into the fish fry and coat it well. You can keep these as a full fillet or you can cut them into smaller pieces, which makes them like catfish nuggets. That's typically what we will do. And then you'll go ahead and place them in a greased air fryer basket. Once you put them in, you can coat them again with another layer of cooking oil spray. Now, I typically like to use olive oil, but it's not a very high smoke point, so you can use grapeseed oil spray as well. Then you'll go ahead and air fry these at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and flip them over, spray them again if needed, and then add an additional 10 minutes. You will want to spray them anywhere that it looks floury to you. If it looks floury, go ahead and give it a little coat of spray and it will get nice and crispy in the air fryer. So once those are done after the 10 minutes and you flip them over, you will be able to go ahead and remove them. So right now I am flipping them over. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing that first. They are a little tricky to get flipped over. So once you get them flipped over though, you will cook them for the additional 10 minutes. And then I like to coat them again. Like I said, anywhere that looks floury, you're going to want to coat them. And then this is going to be now whenever they're done. So I'm going to carefully remove them and serve them. And this is always the tricky part, right, is getting them out of the pot. So I'm getting those ready. We like to serve ours with some tartar sauce, which I will link to as well in the recipe for some homemade version. So this is when they're all done, they're all cooked, and they are really good. We actually really like these air fryer catfish more than we like the deep fried catfish. They're just light, delicious. They have just the right amount of coating. So you need to use a good fish fry. And as you can see there, that's with another shot of them all done. I usually make them into catfish nuggets, so I cut up the catfish fillets. So they are all in nugget-sized, bite-sized pieces, which is great for serving. And then, again, we just dip it with tartar sauce and serve it up. So this is how you make air fryer catfish. Like I said, they're very easy to make. 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Flipping it halfway, and you're going to be all set and ready to eat that delicious fish. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you do not miss the next one. And you can find this recipe and more on mommyhatescooking.com or on airfryerfanatics.com. Thank you so much for joining in today, and I hope you enjoyed learning to make these air fryer catfish.